So guys, welcome again to our new video. Today we are going to teach ourselves how to hide some app in our phone. Some of us have a good phone. When I mean a good phone, some of us have a latest phone. I mean like Samsung, the latest Samsung, the latest iPhone 16 or 17 Pro Max, but they don't know how to use it. They lack the technical know-how on how to use their phone. So what's the sense of having that phone? What's the sense of keeping that phone when there are things that you can play along and you get yourself going? Maybe you want to hide some app or some photo or image or any video, or maybe you want to hide your finance app like your bank app or anything that has to do with finance, and you don't want your friend or someone to have a look or have access to. Now come closer, you're gonna learn that you can actually hide that app and release your phone, and on that person can't get access to. So come closer, we're gonna teach ourselves how to hide the app. So when you come to your phone, this is not iPhone now, but it's still applicable. In iPhone, this is Samsung. So you double click or you press and hold, then your phone will come like this. Then you go to setting. You go to setting and you will see hide app on home and apps screen. Hide apps on home and app screen. You click. Then here you can now choose the apps you want to hide. Okay, like we have Access More, we have Amex UK. You have a lot of them. Okay, let me just choose the one I want to hide. Let me hide Airbnb as well. Okay, let me not hide these two apps. These two apps are hidden, done. You can never see it on my phone. I can give you my phone. You can play around with it. You can navigate through the phone, but you can never see these two apps I've hidden. Let's go and check. You can never see this app again. Search for this app. You can neither see it. You can neither see this app. Now, if you want to unhide it again, you have to click here. You come back to the same place and do what? And unhide. You click on the minus sign. So, and that is it. And you click done. All right. So now you will not have any fear of giving out your phone to someone else. Give them the phone. Let them do whatever they want to do with the phone, and I can guarantee you that they can't get access to that particular place or that app. So if you like our video and we like what we do, click on that follow button, like our video, comment, and join us. And also, let me see what you going to say on the comment section. Let me see your thoughts, because you don't know who it might benefit. Let's share our thoughts and then how we can improve ourselves technically. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Thank you.